Can GPT replace coders doing development? No, it's at best a tool. Such a program isn't planning software nor does it think, it is answering queries, as in, dipping into and statistically cobbling together based on data it is given, scored, what might be what is requested, that includes things that look like what is being requested. And furthermore, it lacks the ability to check its own results with 100% certainty, as in, it can provide a proof for you that its results are correct, as opposed to just asserting it. That means you can't blindly trust it. You aren't being given a proof that one can check that results are correct, where you can accept, reject the results. Such things do not work well to the standard perhaps I would expect when discussing program correctness in a domain where you need exact specificity. Being slightly wrong is being wrong, and can create a lot of frustration. One needs to be careful blindly trusting, which is what it would mean if you replaced a coder with such a tool, something that provides no proof for you it is providing correct results in a domain where correctness matters usually most times. The point I'm getting at is the tool is only as reliable as the person wielding it is, as who's going to check it. It raises serious concerns when somebody slaps together code they themselves don't have any understanding of what it does. I'm sure this does in fact occur in practice, but the point is it's a problem regardless, then wants to assure a client it does what is claimed. That's kind of the point of having a software professional, somebody that can write code that is competently designed and will function as desired by both the developer and the client. I see the tool at best as a tool for suggestions of how to proceed. If you find yourself looking up things a lot of the time, instead of doing the work only yourself, it might be valuable. It's not a replacement for correctness of those ideas. This should be unsurprising.